Good morning. If you haven't guessed, we've taken the boat from Embankment in London to Greenwich, and we're going to walk up the hill to have a look at the view that overlooks London from there. We're going to go to the Greenwich Park and the Greenwich Observatory to hopefully have a really good view overlooking London. So it should be amazing. Just bought ourselves a coffee, keep us going this morning. It's a nice fresh morning, is it not, Phil? It is. And we're doing all things Greenwich. The rose garden. Sorry, Phil. Unfortunately, there's no roses in this garden. I think we're going to have to come back in May. I'm sure they'll be in full bloom by then. This is where they start the London Marathon every year. So they all line up along here. And they come out of those gates. Well, we've had a really great walk in and around Greenwich Park. We've headed back down, and it's nice to have a bit of sunshine in January. It's been a really nice day.